Hey guys, this is JVC, the YouTube channel, and today we're doing hide and seek for this racing boat, this RC racing boat. This boat, we got it for Christmas, and we want to give it away to one of us. Well, actually, Van got it for Christmas.
Yes, I got it.
He wanted
To make a video.
About this, so he decided that he will give it up for one of us, and we're doing 3 rounds of
Hide and seek.
Actually, let's do 5 rounds. 5 rounds of hide and seek, and whoever comes out with the majority of the wins in the hide and seek, then they get to keep the boat.
RC boat.
Yeah, the RC boat. All right, let's get into the video. Hey guys, this is Jonas from JVC. I'm done counting. I'm getting my gloves on because I'm actually really cold. And yeah, let's go look for my brothers. Now, we have a lot of yard, but most of the yard is just grass and stuff. And they're all hiding in the yard, but we still have a lot of spots. So I'm gonna check in our woods back here, our smaller part of the woods. We have a woods all the way back there, but it's just so big, and I just didn't want to go all the way back there and then check for 30 minutes and then not find them. So I'm checking back here, and it looks like there's nothing. So I'm gonna go. We have a huge pile of dirt, because we have a pool and we took a bunch of dirt out, and so we use it we just did my mom's flower beds again, so we used dirt for that. We use it everywhere, really. So we have a huge pile, and I'm gonna go look and hopefully find someone. And I'm up on the pile of dirt, and oh my, I actually found someone. I found Crew.
Yeah, so I was using this little glass piece to hike up here. I was like,
Alright, Crew, leave that. Crew, throw it somewhere where we won't step on it.
No, this is the diamond of Chinese.
Okay.
And I stabbed people in the head with it.
And we found Crew. Looks like he just fell. Are you okay, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, just pat it off. Now we're gonna look for Van. I don't know where.
I saw him.
You did? Wait. Let's just pretend like we didn't see him, okay? Let's just pretend that we didn't see him so he doesn't move.
Wait, Joe. So let's go check in the shed.
Check in the shed? Checking in the shed right now.
No, I don't think he's in there.
Actually, yeah. Let's not check there because it's gonna be hard to open. Yeah. Bro, where were you? Yeah.
I was thinking, it's so obvious, it's too obvious. You know how there's like a little divot?
Yeah.
I was in there.
Okay. All right, now since I found Crew first, it's gonna be his turn. So Crew, you just hold it, stick one hand back there and then hold it to your face, okay? All right. You go count up here.
I'm going to be counting on the deck while my brothers hide. So, yeah. Alright. So, guys, we are videoing. And we're videoing for this. Yeah, it's my brother's RC boat, and we're gonna video for it. So let's see who wins. All right. So I'm gonna be the seeker, and they're hiding somewhere. I'm gonna go check on the first tree. That's not too hard. So let's go. Okay. No baby deer. What is that? Alright. Let's see. Oh, found somebody. I found Joe. I was running really fast.
Right there.
Yeah, so I just checked.
Here.
And
I gotta count first.
no, just
Let me count first because I didn't.
Yep.
Let me count first
Okay.
because I didn't.
Vane's turn to count first, and yeah.
whoo.
What's up, guys? It's round 3. I've only needed to win one more round to get this awesome RC boat. Yeah. So, ready or not, here I come! So, yeah, guys. We're going to be playing hide and seek. I heard somebody smack in the woods. I think I see somebody. I think they're over here. Let's go. I was probably hearing weird noises because my dad's pulling in from work. So yeah, here's a pretty sweet car. It's brand new. Anybody up here? Found you.
That's unfortunate, though.
What do you guys think for yourself, Joe?
It's bad because now it's Van has 2, Crew has 1, and I have 0.
Still, guys.
All right, guys. We're starting the video again after dinner, and we're getting back because we want to finish this video and see who's gonna win. And yeah, so I counted to 60. Let's see if they're ready. But it's so cold, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's raining right now. There's a bunch of water drops on the camera. Alright, I'm gonna go look. Honestly, I kind of want to find Van first. But then, yeah, I want to find Van first, but like, honestly, I feel like he's gonna hide behind the mountain of dirt because he hasn't hid there, and really, there's like, I feel like that's the only spot that he hasn't hid in, you know? And as we look up here, wow. Oh my, I actually found Crew. There's actually, oh my gosh. This thing is over. This thing is over, wow. Honestly, I should have just left him. Hey
guys!
Alright. As Van wins it,
Woo!
yeah. So, I guess Van gets to keep his
Let's go.
thing. Sadly, Van won the RC racing boat. There you go, Van.
Thank you for watching. Let's try to get 15 likes on this video. And comment down below if you want hide and seek part 2. We were writing down some ideas for our channel, and we've hide and seek in the dark with flashlights and glow sticks. So
Yeah.
if you want to see that, then comment down below, subscribe, and leave a like. See you next time.